Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth here. You can find me at bymeganelizabeth.com, and we are going to do another 12 days video. This time we're going to do a scrapbook layout. We're going to feature paper from Festive Farmhouse. I'm such a fan of this paper and designs, you guys. This is just two of the beautiful sheets that you could really mix and match. I love this Mossy Meadow stripe and this just gorgeous plaid. It's so Christmassy. I'm also including the cardstock kit as well, which is Very Vanilla and Mary Merlot. I cut out this deer. This is one of the cut files inside of my She Makes Club for the month of November. I included an SVG that's very similar in style to the reindeer in the transfer that we're using. And this is just like perfect. So I'm excited to share this. We're going to ink this. I'm going to see how it turns out. If it doesn't turn out the way I want it to, we'll just cut another one. But let's give this a try. I'm just going to grab my cutting mat. It's like not a big deal. And I'm going to grab Mary Merlot, and we're going to kind of just grab a sponge and ink around the edges in Mary Merlot. And I'm just like brushing it on. I'm like trying to just kind of give it this color feel and rusticy kind of look. Just something that's a little bit distressed, because I didn't want to do it just in Mary Merlot, but I thought the Very Vanilla was too light. So we're just going to kind of like give it some color and just see what we think. I kind of think that looks awesome. Kind of want to reduce some of the harshness down there though. I think that'll work. Really easy. We'll wash that off then. Okay. So here's the thing that I'm thinking. The reason why I thought it would be cute is because as the kids are decorating the Christmas tree, you can see one of the many deer heads hanging in the background. I thought it would be like a cute background accent for this layout. And then we only have this tiny little picture of our family by the Christmas tree this last year, which is fine. It just happened that the way it saved, it really printed very small. I'm going to mat it on this Mary Merlot. I already have these kind of trimmed down. So basically, I'm not giving you exact measurements on these pieces simply because I wanted you to be able to do it to the photos that you were messing with. The only other measurement that you would need to know is your 12 by 12. This is cut out, this deer head is cut out at 9 inches. And this is 3 inches by 12 inches. So you could really choose any paper from the Festive Farmhouse that work for you. But the deer is 9 inches in height, the green stripe Festive Farmhouse, and then this plaid. I just thought it was so like, I don't know, I thought they were really beautiful together. Like they offset each other so well. I almost feel like I want to do that over here too. Just looks pretty. Okay. It's like, I'm like undecided because I love this pattern so much, and there's this part of me that like wonders, am I like making the wrong? No, I love this pattern like so much. I'm just trying to decide if I'm like wanting it to be on this deer or if I want it to be like offset the other way, and I'm not gonna worry about it too much. All right, we're going to go like this. Okay. Beautiful. Ooh, I almost feel like I should have put this on the other side so that I could have it. No, I think that'll work. This is a scrap of brown that I have left over. I'm going to matte this picture just to give it a little bit more around the edges. It's brown. It's just brown that I have in my cardstock stash. You could use craft cardstock, soft suede. I'm trying to think of other colors you could use. I'm just going to trim it around. All right. My plan is to have this Mary Merlot kind of sticking up here. That's exactly what I needed it to do. Okay, the picture is gonna stay here, and we're going to stamp a little bit on this guy. All right, we're gonna do Merry Christmas from the half full stamp set. I love this stamp set because it's really like, it has Christmas on here, and like I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, but then it has like friendship quotes, and then like it's for any wine person in your life. Wine improves with age, we improve with wine. The glass of wine makes life divine. May your glass always be half full. But if the white runs out, I'll drink red. Like, I mean, come on now. You can use this for so many different things, not just the holidays, but the holidays are fabulous to use it for. I love this set. I wanted it last year when it came out, and then when I saw it was in the annual, I was like, yep, it's coming home with me ASAP. And let's see. I'm gonna just do basic black. And we're going to stamp it down here. So simple, so brilliant. It looks amazing. Goes right in underneath. I love how that looks. And then this is just gonna, we're gonna corner round this. 1/2 inch quarter round. And then white gel pen is going to be my notes for the holiday. And you know what? We're gonna ink this a little bit. I usually just rinse it out when I'm done crafting. Look at that. So you can see a little color definition and separation there. And that's where journaling spot is going to rest. Now I'm going to grab a few of my metallic pearls. I'm going to use silver just because of the gray granite in here. I think that's the perfect color combination. And whoops. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna grab a black micron. I'm going to use the 08 to write in 2017. White gel pen is going to go up here for the rest of my journaling, which I like to keep a little bit private. I don't like to include that all on the videos, but you'll get the general idea. Family 2017, Merry Christmas. And I think it's just a perfect little scrapbook layout using Festive Farmhouse, grabbing one of the cut files from over at She Makes Club. And I hope you guys enjoy the moments. We'll see you soon for more 12 days of giveaways at BuyMeganElizabeth.com. Bye-bye.